Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I'll fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound.
Deanna and the children are gone. I had to take them back. They stopped and got Happy Meals before they, made it to the crib. But yeah, they up out of here. And I'm tired. Sarge just got back in the bed. He's resting. It is 7 o'clock. 7:04 to be exact, on Valentine's Day. Just got some leftover spaghetti that I'm gonna eat, and we're gonna call it a day. I started playing Tetris yesterday. I wanted to play The Sims, but The Sims, I'm not an architect. I need to see what I'm actually doing and not just have some shit there. I can't do that. I can't play that shit. That's some shit other people play. I can't do that. But yeah, I play Tetris and I can play that. I have mastered that one. I'm better than that than Deanna. So, yeah. And I have nothing else to say. That's all we doing. Happy weekend. Everybody still asleep. It is Sunday morning. Sarge has requested some omelet. So I'm about to make that. It's 9:38. I've been coughing all night. It's going down. And then I woke up to snow everywhere. Let's see. Let's get a good view. Snow everywhere. So now I gotta take my sick ass outside, clean off 2 cars. But really I only gotta clean off 1 car and shovel. When I don't even fucking feel good. But I'm gonna get it done. And then the last time Sarge bought salt, he bought the big salts, not the little salts. Oh, help me, Jesus. About to make some coffee and get my eggs and stuff started.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything.
Chocolate cereal. They don't give it a lot because he might waste this. I'm watching Cobra Kai in the red room. What?
My teeth hurt.
Your what?
My teeth hurt.
Why your teeth hurt? You was gritting them shits in your sleep.
No.
You had to be. That's the only way your teeth gonna hurt. You was gritting your teeth in your sleep. Now your mouth hurt. Boy, put that dang on dinosaur head down.
I know how to put it up in.
I'm in the red room watching Cobra Kai. I know I just told you that, but I'm telling you again. That's the new one on this one. Okay, what the fuck is going on?
Not perfect. We continue tomorrow.
Guys, it's too much slack. Come on, put some muscle into it.
Yeah.
Pull harder, man. Hey, how things go, Rob?
Let me continue to watch this. Whose birthday was it?
Nana.
Who was Nana?
My other grandma.
Your other grandma?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Remember James and Ellie? Oh, yes. You know, it took a tarot reading.
Y'all didn't go to Cracker Barrel?
And they're still together.
I thought it was Cracker Barrel. Where you got the cake?
We didn't get the cake. There was no cake over there.
Where you get the cake from?
I didn't get the cake.
You ate the cake when you got here. So where did you get the cake from?
Me and my daddy didn't pick up the cake. Only Gigi did.
Oh, okay. You see him stealing them flowers?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that turkey.
Where's the book behind there?
So you have to read some books and do activities.
I want to read books.
You want to read it?
Yeah, I want to read books with
Activities?
Yeah, can I do
Okay, let's run it again. Ready? Fight.
It's karate.
it?
Yeah.
Something's off. Bobby's odds are dropping faster than a quantum particle in a gravitational field. Well, it can't be that bad. Oh. Yeah. Did you over-calibrate the predictive algorithm or something?
What?
Are you seriously asking me whether I know how to design an AI-based battle module? Your
Why
VR
are
overlay
you
probably has some
watching
lag.
that?
Okay, I'm gonna pretend you didn't say that.
That boy's getting on our damn nerves all damn night, and as soon as he woke up this morning, talking about this it's his daddy's fault. Calvin, 40 Cal, it's your goddamn fault, nigga. 2 AA batteries.
Double A battery.
Look at him. Stop, baby. You ain't even supposed to be doing all that shit.
Okay, you Ting Ting.
Don't take this shit out. You wait for me.
Let grab back away.
Let me set it up.
Let us set it up while I do the other part.
Cause Pawpaw can't do this shit.
By stuff.
Right.
Cause Papa's sick
I
right
want to help set it
now.
up.
You're gonna help with the garbage, okay? I want you to watch the garbage shit, okay?
Okay, Mama's tired. But it's up and running. Okay, don't sit down, chill out, man.
Can you do artifacts now?
Kane,
I want
you
to.
just don't know what you want to do you?
Can you just make the artifact stop? Can we make it go this way?
It's gonna go the way it's going right now, okay?
But it don't go that way. It goes this way.
About to go out here and tackle this snow. I'm the only one here that can do it. Deanna ain't here this time. And I gotta turn off the alarm. About to just open the damn door.
System is now disarmed.
Go out here and pace myself. That's what I'm gonna do. Lock the door. Trying to get y'all set up so the wind is blowing plus it's snowing a little bit more out here. And would have to do that when I know I'm about to tackle the snow. Y'all hear the wind blowing the shit?
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing.